Hello, I'm with Love the Magic Vacations, and today we're at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort, one of Disney World's 4 moderate resorts, located conveniently in the Disney Springs area. Step into the charm and elegance of the Big Easy at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter, a resort where Southern hospitality meets Disney magic. Every detail here celebrates the festive culture of New Orleans. Colorful beads, jazzy tunes, and the delightful spirit of Mardi Gras reach you at every turn. And don't forget to treat your taste buds. Scat Cat's Club Cafe is home to Disney's signature beignets, light, fluffy, and sprinkled with just the right amount of powdered sugar. Pair it with a coffee or a cocktail to start your day or wind down in style. Dive into Doubloon Lagoon, the resort's pool area featuring a giant sea serpent water slide, or let the kids explore the whimsical alligator jazz band statues scattered around the property. All Disney moderate resorts, including this one, feature exterior hallways and window air conditioning, while deluxe resorts provide interior hallways and central air conditioning. In today's tour, we'll be looking at one of the beautifully rethemed rooms with 2 queen beds. The new design is all about mixing that classic New Orleans charm with fresh, modern vibes. We'll also explore some of the fantastic amenities offered at this property. Let's start with the room options. When choosing a room, there's a variety of views to consider, including resort view, overlooking the parking lot, garden view, pool view, river view, and preferred view. Recently, all standard rooms at Port Orleans French Quarter were refurbished to feature hardwood laminate flooring, elevated bed frame, and updated furnishings. Each room includes a separate shower and toilet area with a vanity area containing double sinks, which is great for families getting ready at the same time. You'll also find Disney specialty bath products in the bathroom, a single-serve drip coffee bar for morning coffee or tea, and a mini beverage cooler, though please note this cooler is meant for chilling rather than refrigeration. There's ample storage in each room, including an open closet with hangers, shelving, extra bedding, and a safe, plus underbed storage for easy organization. Port Orleans French Quarter is perfect for families, couples, and anyone who wants a quaint, fun, yet immersive Disney experience. Another unique perk is the resort's location along the Sassagoula River, where you can enjoy a scenic boat ride directly to Disney Springs. This easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment makes Port Orleans French Quarter a convenient yet tranquil home base. Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter is the perfect blend of Southern charm, whimsical Disney touches, and laid-back luxury, making it an ideal home base for your Walt Disney World adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to catch more of our resort tours and cruise ship videos. Ready to start planning your Disney World getaway? We're here to help. Click the link in the notes for a free, no-obligation quote and let us help you find the perfect resort and room for your next adventure.